get it and you guys are gonna have to guess what it is. It's in a bag. I'll give you a hint. It's rectangular shape, the box. It sounds like something. It's in a box. You can hear the box and the rattling sound. If you guess book, incorrect. If you guessed, well, a toy, half correct. If you guessed Lego, absolutely correct. Today, I will be building this Lego set from Lego City. I know it's for plus, but like, I need it. I'm doing it. Which is a police helicopter, which is chasing a, well, thief, a criminal on a water scooter. Here it says water scooter does not float. Okay, so it says the components were made in Denmark, Mexico, Hungary, China, and CCEH Republic. Okay, look at the back. So we have to learn how to build things, and we have a picture. We have the helicopter here. We have the cop, the criminal, the man, that ching ching. Okay, so I named Lego Money Ching Ching because it's easier, you know, to like instead of just hi, can I have some Lego money when you're playing with your Legos. So then we got some handcuffs, and then we got like that Lego scooter that does not float. Okay, so let's get into it. Ooh, okay. Now, how do you open it after this? Put it down. Okay, so this is the place with the heads, the head, and yes, finally I have a real Lego money. Then is this big piece, which is basically the base of the helicopter, and then is the body, the fans, and the body of the boat and everything, and inside we have the body of the helicopter, which you can see, and we have the instructions. Okay, so we have 3 bags and 2 already built things. So should I start with this or should I go with this? Maybe I'll try with this. I've never actually tried this, so let's search. Okay, wait, no, it's QR scan. Okay, so we've got the QR code over here. And we've got this. This is the, oh, we have to download like the Lego builder. Okay, we're gonna set that aside. We're just gonna be using this thing. So first, obviously, we have to build the cop whose head and hair is in here. There we go. And his body is over here. So we open both. It's a pretty small set. Okay. Okay, so this is the criminal's body. Okay, that's done. Let's put the head on. And then a cap. He has a cap. He doesn't have hair. So we have 2 of these. This is the person's head. Here's the cap. Okay, he's looking pretty chill, pretty cool. I'm gonna catch this criminal. And he's got these handcuffs, which actually cuff up. So we're gonna set that person aside. Put everything over here. Pretty small Lego sets. And now this lady, of course. So we have her ching ching over here. Where's her other ching ching? $200. Or, sorry, 200 ching ching. 200 ching. Can I please buy that top? It's for for 200. Oh, really? 200 chain? Sounds weird. Look at her face. It's so weird for me. Anyway, she's holding some money. Okay, she got them bills. She got them bills. Woo! Okay, so that's her in the car. Let's set these to the side. Okay. Stay over there. Okay. Next is building the motor boat, which is actually pretty simple. So we take this piece, put it over here. We take this. Okay, take this one and this one. Put it in the corner. Over here. And then since it's a very small, I guess that it will be hard to find things. Because all the loose ends that I built are like very huge. Many pieces. It's hard to. There's the speedboats. The last one is this. And the speedboat is ready. Let's put her in here. With her money. Standing, because unfortunately most boats don't have any place to sit, does it? She's standing or sitting, I cannot tell. Pretty sure she's standing. That's her with her ching and her money. Okay, now to build a helicopter. Okay, this is what the helicopter looks like. Okay, so we're gonna need this piece here. And this piece like that. Then this thing. Okay, there's the helicopter. The one thing I'm excited about is the seat, this mechanical thingamajig. it at the second I get home with it. Oh wow, this is a very neat piece of oh my goodness. Some weird stuff. Oh no, I just snapped the back piece off. Ah. Okay. Ah, come on, snap back on. You do this snap back on. Okay, this piece, again, new, because they usually have a little top thing. You won't understand this. Then this one and this one goes like this over here. There's this here. And this huge piece, which is the cover of the helicopter. Not that. It's already. Okay, so when the person gets off of here, there's not really much protection on the side, so the person can just fall off the side. I never really noticed that before buying it. Here. Here's so that is going to be the motor. So here's the motor. Very dark color. Like I usually have light. Spin thing. Ooh, spins so fast. You can barely see it. Again, we still have much choices. So, oh yes, the lights. How can we forget the lights? Get in there. Okay, and this thing goes over here. So that's protecting this side. What about this side, eh? Down because this fine down. And then leveling this thing, which is the top motor, so I need that. Surprised. Wow, I never had surprised. Wait, just pop it on there and that's no more. This thing goes like this. Okay. I'm working on it while it's like that. And we are done. So, and then you put it on this, and when you spin it, it like goes like that, and that goes like that, and that goes like that. Okay, we're gonna open this up. Put the police. I don't really know what this part is for. We're gonna put the police officer in, and his handcuffs. He has 2 pairs of handcuffs for some reason, and he accidentally handcuffed himself, I guess, to the thief, so that she doesn't escape. And if she does, she'll trap him with her. Okay, I'm just kidding. Okay. Okay, so I'm going to open up the back. This. Shut it. Shut it. My goodness, it's just with this cool dummy hat. Sit down and relax. Shut your door and chill and make sure you don't fall off. She's getting chased by the police. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share. Please hit that bell button.